Hi, boys and girls. Thanks for working so hard this week. We are going to do our practice spelling test now. Just a couple of reminders before we get started. Don't ask mom or dad or brother or sister for help because we want to know how you would spell the word, okay? Pause if you need more time and you can just press pause on this video. Remember to use all lowercase letters, okay? So if you see that you press enter or spacebar and it automatically makes that first letter uppercase, you want to hit backspace, backspace, backspace until you can go back and use that, that backspace button to make all of your letters lowercase, okay? And you've done a lot of that with Mrs. Weber, and you've done a lot of that just on the iPads in school as well, okay? So make sure you're using all lowercase letters. And also, sometimes there will be a red line under your spelling, okay? Not always. Even if you misspelled a word that I say, it still might not have a red line because it's a correct word, just not the word that I said, or it might be a red line, meaning that the word is spelled incorrect. And that just gives you a clue, uh-oh, I made a mistake. And remember, we always learn from your mistakes. It's okay to go back. And that red line is just telling you that you need to go back and fix your mistake. Just like if you're writing in your journal and the teacher might come around and underline your word and say, oh, look at your word wall and spell this word correctly. This is the same exact thing. It's just saying, okay, you need to go back and make a quick fix, okay? And if you do make mistakes, you can go back and take the spelling test again. Okay, so here we go with number one. Number one is the word teaches. This man teaches the student. Number one is teaches. Remember your endings. Teach is the base word. Teaches. Number two, helper. You have all been a helper at school. Helper. Don't forget your base word and your ending. Number two is helper. Number three, napkins. I needed 3 napkins with my messy dinner. Napkins. Number four, picking. I am picking apples off of the tree. Number four is picking. Picking. Number five, toasted. I toasted the bread and put butter on it. Toasted. Number five is toasted. Toasted. We have a bonus word next. We did not have a bonus word last week, but this week we have a bonus word. This word is sailboats. I saw 3 sailboats. Sailboats. Okay, boys and girls, great job. After you write the bonus word sailboats, make sure you go back and check that all of your words are lowercase letters If you see any red squiggly lines, go ahead back and make your quick fixes. And when you're ready, you can click submit. Okay? Check the mistakes that you made. If you made any mistakes, it might be a good idea to go back and retake the test because you made a couple mistakes. And that's okay. We are in first grade. We're learning from our mistakes, right? Okay, boys and girls, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.